7 beginner mistakes that are destroying your social media engagement. Look, no matter how many followers you have, if you don't manage to keep them engaged and entertained over time, the results are just going to get worse and worse and tank, and it's going to be hard to recover. Engagement is one of the key factors that pretty much all social media channels use to measure and determine whether or not they should serve up your content to your followers. That's right, just because you create content doesn't mean that they're going to serve it to your followers. They decide based on your engagement. So it's one of those things that you should be really paying attention to, and it should be at the center of your attention. Mistake number 1, not responding to customers' DMs right away. According to Koros, on Twitter and Facebook, approximately 75% of users expect a response from a private message, while 68% expect a response to a public tweet, post, or comment. On Instagram, 73% of users expect a brand to respond to whether they reach out privately or publicly. If you don't meet your users' expectations in the chances you have to interact with them, your engagement will continually decrease over time. Mistake number 2, not responding to comments. Social media is a game about reciprocation. Your audience is interested in your product and will appreciate it more when they feel that deep connection with you. Now let me know in the comments below if you respond to people. If you respond to your comments, good. If you don't, you should start doing it. Not replying fast enough to your audience is another factor that can hurt your engagement. So try to respond as fast as possible when you get these comments. It doesn't have to happen instantly, but waiting a time, let's say 60 minutes or even a half a day or a day, is fine, but less the better. I would try to aim for within an hour. And not replying to comments can give people the impression that your brand just doesn't care for them. Mistake number 3, not learning from your past successes and failures. If you're putting out content that no one cares to engage with, then don't put it out there. If you're putting out content that people love and you stop doing that type of content, you're making a mistake. Learn from your successes, do more of that. Pay attention to your social media account analytics, identify things that resonate with your audience and do more of that. Identify what doesn't resonate with people and do less of that. Mistake number 4, self-serving content. Make it about your audience, not about your own products or service. Sure, eventually you may have to promote your own products or services, but that should only be like 5 or 10% of the time. I do it maybe a few percentage of the time. Sure, maybe at the end of the video I may say, check out my ad agency NP Digital where we help people grow their traffic, but that's not the majority of the content. Mistake number 5, too much selling. Users don't go to social media because they want to buy stuff. Yes, they do buy, but they buy when they like something, and more importantly, they learn and they connect with that channel. There are too many channels out there that just try to sell. Engage first, build that loyalty, because then it's much easier to sell. Mistake number 6, not acknowledging story mentions. Reciprocity is the key. Everyone loves getting a mention of their favorite brand when they post a story and they see that brand reposting. Mistake number 7, posting too much or not enough. Imagine this. You're putting together your social media marketing plan, including a post 2 times a day on Facebook. It goes all well for 2 weeks, and then all of a sudden, posting 2 times a day hurts you because people are just overwhelmed and not engaging with the content because it's not good enough. When you don't post too often, people may not see your brand as trustworthy. When you post too often, people may get overwhelmed. When you don't post enough, people may not be familiar with your brand, build that connection. So you gotta find the right balance, and you'll see if you post too much and your engagement starts going down, start posting a little bit less. And if you're posting very so often where your engagement just goes, down the drain, that means you're not posting enough. You'll find the right balance, and usually posting at least once every other day is a good start. I would try to recommend that you try to post at least once a day though to start off with. Now, if you need help with your social media marketing, check out my ad agency, NP Digital, where we help people and companies grow. If you enjoyed the video, like it, share it, tell other people about it. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thank you for your time.